Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Bill the Drone Reviewer, subscribers and viewers drone pictures. I'll have that coming right up. So I'll remember last Sunday was International Drone Day and I did put out a video, but in the video I asked for you to send me, all my subscribers and viewers, a picture of from your drone. Whether if you had a chance to take one for last Sunday, that would be great, but one of your favorite pictures. Your response was unbelievable. Thank you everybody for sending your pictures. What I'm going to do is, in the future, we're going to do a video, the same thing, and I think I've figured out Dropbox, so I'm going to make an announcement about that in an upcoming video. But today we're going to take a look at these pictures. Now, I want to go ahead and let everybody know, also the next time around too, if you can include your YouTube name with that way I can give you guys credit. So what I'm going to do this time though, is I'm going to put your first name and last initial. I won't give out your full name. So without any further ado, got some wonderful music set to it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Just jump right into it. That was absolutely fantastic. You guys take some incredible pictures. I am just unbelievably impressed. You all have unbelievable skills as photographers through your drones. Can't thank you guys enough for this. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I post daily updates there as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying.